So guys, welcome back to another amazing video. In today's video I will be showing you guys the latest updates when it comes to the road construction project from the red light market area to here the not here the BA junction but at Duport Road Junction. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. It is free to subscribe. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to support your girl. So we are going on this road and they are still fixing this road, guys. So keep watching till the end. Tell me what you think about this road project. So guys, this is around the police academy junction area. Let us keep going, guys. So guys, this is Duport Road Junction right here. This is where they have stopped. These are their equipments back on the other side that you guys are seeing. Yeah, so if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please consider subscribing so that when they complete this road or whatever development ongoing in Liberia, you can be the first to know of on my channel. So leave a comment, share, like, and subscribe. I will see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Beautiful Liberia.